Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar salad dressing no anchovies, only ways. Start by whisking an egg yolk, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, and minced garlic until slightly thickened and creamy. Slowly drizzle in a neutral oil while whisking to build a stable emulsion. Fold in finely grated Parmesan, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust acidity with more lemon or balance with a touch of honey if needed for rounded flavor. Try flavorful swaps when you want the signature umami without anchovies. Worcestershire sauce gives that fermented, savory backbone, while soy sauce or tamari adds depth and saltiness. Caper brine contributes bright, briny complexity similar to anchovy notes and keeps the dressing balanced. Use small amounts, taste as you go, and combine swaps if you want layered umami. These tweaks keep the dressing familiar and crowd-pleasing. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful recipes. Quick recommendation: I recently enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth, which offers clear, practical thinking about money and habits. It pairs well with sensible cooking decisions and small daily wins. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to explore it. Thanks, and now let's get back to the video. Texture makes the dressing sing, so focus on a steady emulsion. Start by whisking a few drops of oil into the yolk to temper it, then continue with a slow, steady stream until thick and glossy. A blender speeds the process and creates a reliably creamy result. If the dressing splits, rescue it by whisking in a teaspoon of warm water or an additional yolk to bring it back together smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.